This is my dyno. It's about 26 pounds. I got Odyssey Dash mini grips. Pretty nice, in my opinion. Poverty lever. It's pretty good. With an animal brake lever. It's pretty good. Like, I don't know. Nitrous OG bars. Pretty sick. They're about like a 7-inch rise. Got the Eastern Strangler stem. It's pretty good. I mean, I haven't used it all that well. Got my parts for Christmas. Got the Haro tires. Pretty good. Except for that they're good in the ice though, because it's winter time, you know. Also, I always got the Shadow Conspiracy seat. Got the 25 tooth stolen class chain wheel with the Odyssey PC pedals. The Haro back rim, pretty nice. Not that loud. The Zenith V brake. It's not a bad bike. It's pretty good though. It's kind of heavy. Not really too heavy, but yeah.